record, and it starts recording straight away. So you're now recording on Bandicam and anyone's work I put up here on the screen. So there's the role for today, for example. And if I go back and I put this up on the screen, I can actually share our chat. I can see who's been working in here. I can, and it's recording everything that's happening on my screen. So if I wanted to then go to, let's say, Autodesk, which is what we're going to be working on shortly, and I wanted to give you a quick small demo on how to do working in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you a quick run demo on this, and then you'll be able to see. So as you can see, there's some drawings down here on mine. What you do is you go to New, and then you go to this drop down here. Yours will look like this. It'll just have templates. You need to go to that arrow, click on English. Then you need to go to metric, and then you need to click on standard millimeter. Okay, now that in itself is a big thing for you guys to get right, because if you get that wrong, you're going to have to start again. Once we get into the drawing, it's actually really easy interface to use. So we come up here and we go, I want to sketch. I want to sketch on that face. Once I sketch on that face, I'm going to make a key tag. I'm going to start with a little tiny circle. Okay, I need that circle to be 3 millimeters. So I say I want you to be 3 millimeters. Then what I want is another circle around the outside of that, scaled to about 20 millimeters. Okay, then I want to go from there. I want a tangential line out that way, and I want a straight line out this way. Whoop, no I don't. That wasn't a straight line, so I'm going to delete it and do it again. I'm going to take a straight line out this way. And then I'm going to do some fancy stuff on the end here, just with a squiggly line, okay? Because I want to show you another tool. Okay, and then I'm going to go just going to connect that with a spline. Okay. Then I'm going to go mirror, and I want this all mirrored, and I want it mirrored over this line, and I want to apply it. I want to go done. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this line in the middle, and then I'm going to finish sketch. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to open my sketch up. Did you see how I reopened my sketch? I just clicked on it over here in the left-hand corner. I'm going to trim that internal piece. Then I'm going to go to here, and then I'm going to turn this into a key tag in the space of about a minute. Okay, so I'm going to go 3 mil thick, and there's my key tag. All right, ready to put my writing on it. Now if I want it to be really cool, I can then do a 2D sketch on this face, and I can say, I want it to say Mr. Yates is a legend. Okay, don't all choke on it at once.
I agree.
Okay, Mr. Yates is a legend. All right, and then we highlight Mr. Yates. Okay, and we make him bold. All right, but what we've got to do is rotate Mr. Yates. Mr. Yates did not want to be sitting that way. Actually, what we could do is make this one a bit different. I quite like that sitting like that, so I'm going to make this text a little bit bigger. I'm going to go to, say, 6 mil. Okay.
Are we supposed to be doing this now?
No, you're not. You're just supposed to be watching now, and you will now be on my recording, which isn't so good, but that's okay. I don't mind you being on my recording. All right?
Sorry.
It's okay. It's all good. So if I shift this up, you'll see that that now sits in there. What I want to do is I'm going to finish sketch, and I'm going to make that sit up over that material by 1 mil. Okay, and now I have a solid key tag that says Mr. Yates is a legend. All right, now I'm going to stop that there. I'm going to open my Bandicam.